Question 4. If one of the roots of this equation is -7, find the value of constant k. Okay. So if one of the roots is -7, that means x is -7. So we can sub the x value. You can sub the x value inside here, then we can find k. So 3x squared plus 19x plus k equals to 0. So sub in the x value here. And make k the subject. So let's type this in our calculator. 3 -7 square plus 19 times 7. Sorry, -7. We get 14 plus k equals to 0. Therefore, k is -14. Done. That's all. Okay, so whenever you have the roots, that means that will be x. And you can sub it into the x.